like no words, right? Absolutely no words for this style and this extreme grace. Wow. Malita's visit was too beautiful. Ma Swamiji was wearing the most beautiful attire. Ma Basti never does. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I see everywhere, wherever I'm clicking, actually, there are multiple Zoom rooms. Everywhere, I just see the same messages. How Ma Shambhuva has posted saying that's just lovely. And everywhere, I see the messages of how stunning today's darshan was. I request all of you to take a few minutes and please go to Facebook and share. Ma Swatita, I know we are not able to express into words. It's just flooding the chat with emojis. It is so, so beautiful. Take a moment and share on Facebook. Tag Swamiji and share. How was it for you? When you experienced the darshan, how was it? How was the experience? What did you enjoy the most? Take a few minutes and share. Wow. I see so many more messages just flooding in. Take a few minutes. All these messages, I request all of you to go to the Facebook and share it there. Please go to Facebook and please share it there. Make sure to tag Swamiji and share how beautiful it was today for you. Come on, take a few minutes. Now, as all of you are posting, now let's all enter into the power manifestation. Nothing more is needed. Just enjoy today's darshan. That's it. Like, just connect with Swamiji. Today's, wow, what a form, what a darshan. Just connect with this form of Swamiji. That's all. You don't need to do a separate uh, process, separate technique, nothing needed. Just remember Swamiji. And we're actually going to do a very interesting round now. We're going to do a live scan. We're actually going to show you a house. We're going to show you a picture and you're going to connect with Swamiji. Means just remember today's darshan. That's it. Like you don't need anything else. Just connect with Swamiji by remembering today's darshan and ask Swamiji to reveal to you the details. We are going to ask you place by place within that house, and we are going to have a virtual tour within that house. As you scan and tell your answers, we are going to go into that house and verify it. So it's going to be quite interesting. So stay tuned here. And I request every one of you to sit and manifest. Do not miss out. The power manifestation right after darshan is too important for you to be able to have a breakthrough in the power manifestation itself. Let's get started. Are all of you ready? Wonderful. So now we are going to be beginning. Please sit straight. Yes. I hope now all of you are able to see the house. So this is the house that you are going to be scanning. I request all the participants to just connect with Swamiji. And it's very simple. It's going to be very, very easy because we are not going to do anything here. You're just going to be connecting with Swamiji. Swamiji is going to be revealing to you in detail.
So take a few minutes. Now, what all of you are going to be doing is you're going to be scanning not the full house. Let's enter into area by area, right? So this is a random house that we have picked up, and we request all of you to connect to Swamiji and scan the exact entrance of the house. How does the right as soon as you enter into the house, how does it look like? What does it look like? Please take a few minutes. We request every one of you to connect to Swamiji, chant the Mahavakya. Just remember this form of Swamiji in the most beautiful, the most blissful way that Swamiji appeared in a darshan for all of us. Connect to Swamiji and scan whatever you're seeing through the third eye. Let us take a few minutes and I request everyone to start describing. Chant the Mahavakya. Whatever Swamiji is describing to you, just write it down. Do not worry about whether it's right, wrong. Now, actually, whatever you're seeing, how the entrance of the house is, start with writing with that. You will actually see very beautifully how the whole power manifestation beautifully happens. Swamiji will reveal to you. You just connect to Swamiji intensely. Whatever is the detail that's
That's
coming to
coming
you.
to you. Whatever is coming to you, it might be the color of the house, the entrance, how exactly is it looking, what's the kind of furniture you're seeing, or is there anything else that you're seeing specifically? Go into detail. You can even describe the kind of flooring that is there, describe the colors that is there in the entrance. How exactly is it? Take a few minutes. I request every single participant to please go now, just connect to Swamiji and please start posting here. Like literally, virtually, you're going to be traveling here and you're going to be identifying what is the detail. Whatever Swamiji shows to you in your third eye, start writing it. Please start now. All of you write it down. Swamiji will just reveal to you exactly, you'll be able to see. See, sometimes you may even see something like a reference image. Maybe you will remember your own house or you'll remember your friend's house. It's okay. See, that's the way you are understanding. But whatever it is, just post it. You will actually see how it will precisely manifest. Come on. Manoj Selvaraya, just sit to the gratitude space to Swamiji. Just remembering today's form, that's all. You will see Swamiji will reveal to you. Just sit to that space and you'll actually be able to see. Your third eye will become like a camera. You'll actually be going inside the house and seeing. See now. Sit now. Chant Mahavakya. Whatever is coming, do not wait. No, no, no. I have to have a golden glow in my third eye. It has to come precise. HD quality. No. You're not going to give any of that parameters to Swamiji's revelation in your third eye. You just sit. Whatever Swamiji reveals, whatever Swamiji reveals in your third eye, you can just start posting.
Whatever is appearing, just go on describing it, part by part by part. Please post the answers. So we will move ahead to the next rounds. Okay, I now request every one of you to start posting. What do you see? What type of furniture do you see? Do you see is there furniture? How is the description? As soon as you enter, what do you see in this house? Okay, wooden floor, rugs, older interiors. Okay. All right. So now since I'm seeing so many of you who have posted, we will be continuing to manifest further as well, like right after this. So this is the first part. So I'm going to be now sharing the answer with you all. As soon as you enter into the house, this is exactly what you will be seeing. So basically, right as soon as you walk into the house, you will actually see that there is a table with a flower plants that is kept here, and you will actually be able to see this is the whole foyer, the front foyer. There's a fireplace, and in the ceiling you will actually see that there's a like a candle light kind of a lamp that's hanging, and towards the left there's a small place like a dining hall kind of an area, and towards the right is the place to the further rooms. So this is the entrance of this house. It's yellow color tiles, and as we can see here, there is this beautiful living room. Right as soon as you enter, you walk in straight to the living room, and there's this fireplace. So this is the entrance of this house. So as soon as you enter into the house, this is what you will be seeing in front of you. All right, this is great. Okay, now we'll take a few minutes and let's verify the answers that many of you have posted. Okay, bright rooms, but I request all of you to get more descriptive. Come on, you should start going ahead with more details, as detailed as possible. I do see Sonia has mentioned fireplace, but you should go on to describe it, because many of the houses will have fireplace, right? So if you could go into as many details as possible, I request every one of you are here. See, as you all can see this house, you can actually see every single detail. So go to as specific details as you can. Ma'am, Istak has posted a tall plant and a stem. That's beautiful, ma. Actually, as soon as we enter, we see that. And you're saying that it's a wooden floor strips. That's also correct. And um, bushes, okay, bushes designed. Fish tank, dark color around windows, clear color kitchen, carousel, bookshelves, old style. Okay, elderly people style and very conservative classic style. Okay. See, I want to request every one of you one thing. Can I request each of you to start sharing as many details as possible? Go to specifics. Say, as soon as I enter, towards my left, I see a table, I see a plant, and I actually see an alarm bell there. And I see a metal structure that's kept. And then I walk forward, and then there's a front foyer, and then there's a fireplace to the right, and then there's a glass door to the right, and then there's a dining hall to the left. There's a beautiful lantern hanging on top. So go to as detailed description as possible. Whenever we see, we are very vague, and whenever you're vague, right, all um, the whole experience, the confidence you will start doubting yourself. So don't give yourself that experience. I request every one of you to go to as many details as possible. Are you all understanding? If you're all understanding, can I request each of you to please put yes in the chat? Please go ahead and let us know if you have understood. How many of you are committing to go into details when you scan? How many of you are committing that you are going to scan as detailedly as possible? Okay, that's wonderful. Now, let us enter into the next part of the scan. I'm going to request all of you to scan the kitchen of this house. How
The power manifestation, we'll do one more round of third eye. So you can sit straight with your head, neck, back, straight line.
Sit straight with your head neck back, straight line, and close your eyes and tie your eyes with eye band. And now visualize Swamiji's form in your third eye. And start chanting the Mahavakya and experience the space of oneness. With the space of oneness, manifest the power of third eye. Projecting the picture now, start chanting the Mahavakya. Now scan through your third eye and manifest the power of third eye. I projected the picture. Close your eyes, please.
Nithyananda Paramashivoham Om 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 Nithyananda Paramashivoham. Om Nithyananda. 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 Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham.
Nityanandam, everyone. Now remove your eye band and post whatever your third eye revealed in the chat. Yes, now I'm going to project what I have projected earlier. This is what I projected. So, your responses are
Paramashivoham. Om Nithyananda. Paramashivoham.
Abin,
Om Nithyananda.
Abin, I saw a small deity, a bird on the branch of a tree. Perfect manifestation. And Jayanti says Paramashiva revealed a blue color, a big dark soap. Light. Ishana Shiva Shakti, picture of woman in orange. I guess partial manifestation. Even Jayanti also blue sky with clouds. Ocean. Yeah, partial manifestation. So wonderful. Clap yourself and for the manifestation. Abin, yeah, that's partial manifestation. That's wonderful. Yeah, it's actually very, very close. You have seen the tree, you have seen uh so that's a big, actually, I'll tell you one thing, that's a big Adi Kailash banyan tree. Yeah. So the way you express the branch, a tree and a deity, everything is there. So it's a perfect manifestation actually. It's a perfect manifestation. Clap yourself. Is it the first time or have you done it before? And it's wonderful. Yes. So we are learning Kundalini energy or Kundalini Shakti all day today. For those of you who have attended sessions since the beginning, what are your understandings? Or whatever you know, share it. We'll review. So let's understand some more deeper truths about the Kundalini awakening. There are many comments. Let me see. So, Abhin, you're posting that I have entered some sessions last year too, but this time I am getting some visions clear. Wonderful energy going through the spine. Okay. And Jayanti Ma says, even in a dead body, Kundalini energy is inside the body. Energy going through the spine. Okay, so the infinite, the abundant, infinite energy available to all of us is Kundalini energy, the a latent potential energy. Why it is latent? When it is available to all of us, why it is not available? All that infinite, definitely it is available. Why? But why are we stuck with some of a limited version of us? Right? Some of the impossibilities that we feel. Why is that? So all of us know that there is Kundalini energy, and even the modern scientists, modern technologies, modern experiments proved the presence of the Kundalini energy. But how it get awakened, any no modern science, awakening of the Kundalini, the reasons scientifically cannot explain. Cannot explain. So all of you, please write down what is your experience. When did you hear about Kundalini energy and what did you learn so far? What are your experience so far? You never heard about Kundalini? That's fine. Whatever you are understanding. Some of you posted that it is the energy through the spine. Whatever you are understanding, posted. Today you will learn something definitely in the even in the last session of this day. But share your experience. I know it can heal. Yes. Um, Abin says, read in books about Kundalini. Also know it is a superpower and is supernatural. Yes. Whatever you are understanding, yes, it is a good. And there are much deeper science to it. Much it is a it's see, Abin says it's supernatural. It's energy going through spine. Incompletions you just leave. I'll get back to this point. All right. Um read in books about Kundalini and also know it is a superpower and supernatural. How your cognition that it is a superpower, supernatural, and something mystical. At the same time, Abhin realize that it is a science. Awakening is of the Kundalini is a science, and it is possible for you and me, for everyone here. There are so many ways to awaken the Kundalini. The most safest, most quickest, most enjoyable is with the initiation with the Guru. Kundalini Gurus looked at us. Nayana Diksha, when Guru is Paramashiva's embodied form in the human form. When Guru sees us, when his eyes fall on us in the two-way video, even that our Kundalini rises. We may not even realize. Guru's initiation with the touch or Guru's initiation with the two-way video conferencing at the Shakti Nipata by mirroring the neurons. We have studied that also today. What is mirror? Is how it is pure, how modern scientists proved this. While mirroring the neurons, when we are lost in the darshan, when we are seeing, when you go to temple, when we having Swamiji's darshan, when we see, when we enjoy, always our scriptures say meditate on the form until you matured enough to go beyond form. Right? We need to have something. So when we, our mind with so many confusion, so many thoughts, when we are enjoying something, lost in that, the whatever we are entangling that form. That form, whoever we entangle, we get that actually. But when we are entangling the higher form, higher conscious, the higher consciousness, we mirror their neurons. They are what they are radiating. They are radiating super consciousness. When we are entangling with them during the darshan, during the getting the initiations. Initiation is direct energy transfer. So when we are entangling them, entangling the avatar, we mirror the neurons and our Kundalini raises. Our consciousness raises. That is the most simplest, most beautiful, safest. That's why Sanatana Hindu Dharma always been Guru disciple relationship. Guru Sishya Parampara. Always, everyone has Guru. Whether it's a family man, whether it's a sannyasi, whether a student or a king of the country, always have Guru. Because they know the purpose of their lives while performing the actions, duties of this life. They have a Guru who lead them, whatever actions they do, that lead them to their higher path, higher existence. See, if you're familiar with our dance form, our music, our way of life itself, the way we celebrate festivals. Today you have seen the Swamiji Jayanti celebration, second day. What we did, we offered the Lagu Puja, offered the pujas, right? And how beautiful the celebration. It's always we honoring the deities, we honoring the divine. So when we are meditating, when we are always in the thoughts of the divine, of, of higher consciousness, what we meditate upon, what we entangle upon, we imbibe those by mirroring the neurons. Even if you're sitting thousands, somebody asked me actually yesterday, he's not here, actually, Chai Verma, he's not here, but he asked how it is possible to initiate by a two-way, by a Zoom, by mirroring the neurons. It's a science, it's a proven science. People do get healing, people do get initiation. Our Kundalini get awakened just by watching the darshan, by just seeing what you see, you will entangle that, right? If you see violence movies, you become violent. Unconsciously, you become that. You see constantly advertisement, you go by unconsciously that only. You see TV serials, which they, all the crap imaginary stories that they weave, you become, your thought current will become that only. So what you are entangling, what you are meditating all the time, you become that. Because you mirror the neurons of that. Right? So the result may not be immediate. The result may not be visibly shown immediately. Right? So how many of you are you able to follow this? Can I have a thumbs up? Yes. So all this journey of Paramashivoham is just entangling with the Guru and raising our Kundalini, raising our consciousness to become the ultimate super consciousness breakthrough, to become Paramashiva, to experience the state, space, and powers of Paramashiva. All this journey is for that. So, how does our thoughts affect while raising the Kundalini? There are some questions still, right? Some of you may be having. If the Kundalini awakens, do we levitate? We are going to manifest the power of levitation also in one of the days in this program. Actually, what exactly happens during the process of Kundalini awakening? Many questions, but the scope, you need to understand many things to understand the phenomenon called Kundalini. It's drawing from the Vedic wisdom. What scientists are finding the mirror neurons, all the modern scientists, what they are finding, Vedic wisdom already available and followed as a lifestyle since time immemorial. So, our thoughts, which are no more than the electrical signals, affects us in the process of Kundalini awakening. We will be learning this in detail in many sessions, especially the one of the days chakras. how the 7 chakras and the thought processes, thought currents, the emotions basically, how affects the shrunken the chakras or block the chakras and block the Kundalini rising. How we ourselves are putting the blockage to our own energy. You're putting the blocks actually. Any questions? With our thought currents, with our thought patterns, we ourselves are blocking our own energy. So to unblock this, all the procedure that Swamiji is been giving, so many meditation, the process of completion. Summary of you posted incompletion, right? Yeah, when you are incomplete, naturally you're blocking your own energy. Your power. If you are in powerless, naturally you are putting a big block to your own energy. It is like this. It's, for example, you take an example of a fountain, right? Endless fountain coming from the earth. It is never ends, right? You take that, a stream of fountain which never ends. But if you go put a big stone and put it there on top of it, it is there. The fountain never dies. Fountain never dry up. But the water, that whatever water available, it is not available to you because you when you have put a big block to it, big stone you put it. This is exactly what we are doing, putting, entertaining our own self-doubts, our own self-hatred, our own self-denial. We'll be learning these also, which starts with when we become powerless, when we become incomplete about life, when we entertain so many negative emotions in our life. Our Kundalini become dormant because that is the block we put on us. So Swamiji teaches how to be powerful by doing the completion, how to get into the space of powerfulness. One of the techniques every day that we do is what? Receiving the powerful cognition from Living Enlightenment book. Whatever is bothering you, you simply open the book, even a soft copy. It works the same. Open the book and read wherever your eyes fall. Don't read like from beginning, first page, second page, not like that. Just open the book and wherever your eyes fall, just read that cognition. And that is exactly Swamiji is speaking to you. And that's exactly the solution for you. You'll have a click where you become powerful. Because that's a living deity. The book is a living deity. It speaks to you. So there's so many ways to become powerful. In one of the, see, we just had a power manifestation, right? So there is a procedure that we explain. Do like this, right? Sit straight, close your eyes, and you meditate on the form of Guru. And then you chant declaring that you are Paramashiva, you are Nithyananda Paramashiva. That is what is the meaning of the Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham. Declaring again and again and again that I am Nithyananda Paramashiva. So this declaration and meditation on the form of the Guru will raise, you experience the oneness space, and with that oneness space, your Kundalini raises. You'll be able to see through the third eye. By doing this power manifestation, whether you get the correct result, some of you may get correct close result, and some of you yet to manifest. But each power manifestation will lead you to raise in Kundalini. Each power manifestation is equal to many hours of meditation. And Abin is asking how to do completion. Yes, we have one whole day sessions on how to do completions. Attend regularly. Will be explaining how to do the completion. What is an incompletion? How it starts, and all that will be explaining. So all the techniques that Swamiji has given on clutching and completion, various meditation techniques, all that, and many more. And on the top, this is like you are working on yourself. And when Guru takes over and when he initiates, 80% of the work is done. Your Kundalini raises. So it's so important to have a guru in life. For your awakening. Any other questions? You have multiple sessions here, not one day. We'll be explaining the genesis of identity, I think day after tomorrow. And we have so many researchers done. So what is the proof? Whatever you're sharing, all right. So you yesterday you joined PSM2. Okay. You attend PSM1 and then after that you can move to PSM2. Because these sessions happen continuously. 2-3 days gap in between, but season after season we'll be here. We are here to explain all these sessions. This program is more of a basics. More of a basics you'll be learning, and all the base knowledge that Swamiji has taught, been teaching, we'll be explaining. Yes, please attend. You are from India or other country? India means it's bit night time. This program is overnight actually. Kerala, okay. So maximum you can attend until midnight and then again come for the just before the darshan, an hour before the darshan, to prepare for the darshan, you join. If you can attend full night, it'll be awesome. But if you are working and you need to go to work, so you can do this way also. So there are many, many medical reasons. The whatever we are discussing now, what is the proof? What is the Sakshi Pramana? There are many researchers have been done while attending these programs. I want to explain, present the program called Inner Awakening, like this 21-day program. And what are the results? Is scientifically done. The research has been done scientifically. So I'm going to explain, present that now. This research is about the inner awakening. Many participants have attended physically the program conducted by Swamiji himself physically. Of course, many online programs. So there was a research done on many batches of the inner awakening program. So what was the research about? The research includes the measurement of cellular energy and the recovery of physical and psychological ailment and neurological changes in the brain, genetic transformation, expression of extraordinary abilities like materialization, levitation, and effect of inner awakening on anti-aging. So mitochondria, which is responsible this, for respiration and energy production. The reduction in performance is thought to lead to onset of diabetics, stroke, cancer, and a major factor in aging of the body. Methods to increase energy in these tiny generators are allopathic medicine, exercise, etc. But success rate is only 25% to 35%. Aging and anti-aging. A damaged mitochondria will produce less energy and more reactive oxygen species, which lead to cell damage and aging. Thus, a highly energized and efficient mitochondria is certainly likely to produce pure ATP and least likely to produce toxic free radicals, which are sequelae of unrepaired mitochondria. This certainly could be one of the key factors in anti-aging. The study is December 1st, one of the year, December 1st to 21st in the awakening, there were 134 participants physically attended, and the samples of IA participants randomized above 50 years of age, double blinded, 0 to, and they have taken the samples, the volunteers who were volunteered, they have taken the blood samples on day 0 and also on day 80. The samples of control non-IA participants, but volunteering in the ashram. Above 50 years of age, the same condition. All samples from day 0 were transported to laboratory immediately, as well as day 18. Testing was done MTTSA at Postgraduate Department of Biotechnology. Sent, the college name is given at Mangalore University. The statistics were all data was handed over to an independent professional biostatistician, Dr. K.P. Suresh, scientist, National Institute of Animal Nutrition at Bangalore. So the results are 1300% increase in mitochondria activity and cell viability in the program participants. And you can see the results of because of this increase in cell energy level in April 2011 health recoveries. What are the health recoveries? You can see here. The anger, frustration, how it reduced. You can see the facts. I'm going to project a few more seconds. So many chronic fatigue, depression, eating disorder. These are all mental. Then how about physical? Right? We'll get there. Mood swings, rheumatoid arthritis, panic attacks, so many problems. And healthy recoveries, asthma, 100% cure. Chronic headaches, 100% cure. Chronic fatigue syndrome, 100% cure. You can see the recoveries. Let's see one more slide on and results of different years. Many years it has been conducted. It's not just 1-2 programs or 1-2 batches. As you can see, the results of the slides from different batches of the program. So, neurological changes in the brain. Series of QEEG studies were also conducted on the participant to study the effects of Kundalini awakening on electrical activity in the brain. Findings are, at the moment of initiation, certain instantaneous changes were recorded in all participants. We had active Kundalini awakening, including sharper focusing abilities, higher alertness levels, extremely rapid multi-processing, and better short-term memory. Neurological changes in the brain. Post-activation assessment conclusively showed higher problem-solving abilities, more effective decision-making, enhanced interpersonal relations, warm and positive personality trends. DNA gene expression study. Human beings have about 25,000 genes, of which only 5% are actively expressed and functional. The present study was structured as a combination of a wet lab study using the latest microarray chips to study gene expression changes before and after the Inner Awakening program in April 2011. And a dry lab informatics analysis using sophisticated softwares which specializes in identifying relevant genes, their pathways, and possible results in order to narrow down further the data generated from the previous study. There's a lot of information. The details are given in the slides. The findings. Let's get to the findings. Greatly increased immune modulation, increased immunity to cancer, especially liver cancer, clinical improvement in rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, and other chronic pain conditions, significant recovery from asthma, significant improvements in memory. So extraordinary abilities, materialization. Materialization is the creation of matter from energy. The object materialized so far were Vibhuti, the sacred ash, Kumkum, diamond, pearl, and Rudraksh. These are the materials materialized during the Kundalini awakening. You can see some of the materialization objects. How are these materialized? There's a power manifestation where you have, see, there is this power that we are manifesting, right? Consciousness over matter. With the power of our consciousness, we are moving the matter. If you move the matter to long distance, that is teleportation, right? So the energy becomes matter and matter becomes energy. That's simple. But that signs, that connection, you need to work on. You need to experience that. So the results of CT scan, the whole body CT scans taken before and after Kundalini awakening clearly shows the sudden appearance of a radio opaque foreign body in the oral cavity. On repeat scan without any decay or repositioning after the energy transfer from Swamiji to the subject. Results of the scan. QEEG recording of both Swamiji and the subject done showed entrainment, the synchronicity in the brain waves of both individuals during the process of materialization. So, a human being has 46 pairs of chromosomes. The end of each being protected by a cap-like structure called the telomere. As cells age, the length of the telomere reduces, and when it reaches a critical shortening, about 50 kilobase pairs, the cells stop dividing and enter um, senescence and death. The telomere can be maintained or produced only by an enzyme telomere. So a normal adult has zero, very minimum telomerase activity. Stem cells are reserve cells of the energy. In the embryo, the stem cells can become any part of the body and is called totipotent stem cells. As we get older, stem cells mature to a degree and So this study determined the effects of the telomerase enzyme activity and aging by detecting peripheral blood adult regenerative stem cells and telomerase activity in the peripheral blood monocular cells. All samples were collected at the site of the study, and the study included 110 participants. The results for study groups showed higher fold changes in the stem cell numbers, indicating a role of the stem cells on the well-being of the subjects undergoing the program. Stem cells reside in relative hypoxic niche in the body. Processes like pranayama with bandhas and reduce relative hypoxia, leading to increase in stem cell. So the next process was to investigate a key molecular parameter of human well-being, telomerase activity. 27 participants, but 27% participants showed more than twofold increase in telomerase. 45% showed more than one-fold, that is. So other published data include that it takes up to 3-4 months for an enzyme activity to increase. So leading to increased telomere length. So any questions, please do let me. Yes, any questions? Or we'll be doing one more round of power manifestation. As every jnana session, we have power manifestation. So today we are going to do the last power manifestation. So again, one more round of consciousness over matter. You can sit straight, get your object, place your object on the palm, and visualize how it is formed in your third eye. And start chanting the Mahavakya. Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham. Start chanting the Mahavakya and experience the space of oneness. With the space of oneness, manifest the power of consciousness over matter.
Paramashivoham. Om Nithyananda. 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 Paramashivoham. Om Paramashivoham. Om Nithyananda 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्.
Now, please go ahead and post your experience. Of this power manifestation. I felt the hand holding the object tingling. That's a perfect. That's how you experience first time. It's good. It's manifestation. That's wonderful. Jayantima and others. All right. So now it's time to conclude the sessions here with the Purna Mantra. Tomorrow we'll be learning about the 4 hours. How important they are and what are the 4 powers, and all the sessions are about the 4 powers. So let's pay our deepest gratitude to Swamiji. In the space of deep gratitude, let's conclude with the Purna Mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hare Om Tasat Sarvam Bhagavad Shri Nithyananda Paramashiva Padukarpanamastu. Om Nitya Nithyananda, everyone. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, Nithyananda.